You going on there now? The three-wheeler? You gonna drive that, Micah? You can't put it on the train.
Let's drive the train.
I'm standing up on it. You almost can reach the pedals. Oh, you can. There you go, pedal. Pedal. Micah, pedal. Go. Go. Push. 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 You need a push? Here we go. You ready? You gotta steer.
Can you find a block with the letter P? Put the block
It's
on
the
train.
turtle. The turtle car.
Bye-bye.
Only stickers on it though. On the turtle car. Right, Micah? Oh, you're going in your sister's backpack. Sister's gonna get mad at you for going in their bag. Oh, he's going in her bag. Is she gonna get up and yell? Oh, she's gonna go for the water. John's watching. Oh, he opened it.
Don't let him drink on it, I'm sick.
He's flicking it.
This is the adventure I've always dreamed about. You are a princess of Athenia.
Is that a button?
Something that requires you to be rescued until after I have my breakfast.
Home is the place
Pops up.
again. Sundays are about to get very different.
He just likes the button on it.
Get ready for a new Nickelodeon series. I can't wait. The Other Kingdom. Premieres Sunday night at 7.
You might get it. What are you gonna do, Micah? Huh? What are you doing? Trying to make that guy closer so you can use that as a stool to get out? Yep.
been teaching for 13 years.
This is my 17th year.
Taught kindergarten for over 20 years.
I have been teaching for 18 years.
I have never seen a program like abcmouse.com.
I've always had to use 20 websites, and now I can just use one.
Just a clicking noise, buddy. That's all it is a water bottle.
It encompasses science, math, reading, social studies.
It's just endless what they can learn on abcmouse.com.
On ABC Mouse, my children are learning to read. They're doing math problems, social studies, science, everything.
Our test scores have gone up tremendously with ABC Mouse.
Since we've begun ABC Mouse, our scores are just amazing.
It showed in my scores at the end of the year. The
Pop,
scores went
pop.
very high, and the only thing different that I used this year was ABC Mouse.
Okay.
The best thing about
I'm not gonna keep on recording you pop this. You'd probably do this for hours. You never get sick of clicking it.
love to learn.
Say bye. Mia! Me push it? What kind of car did you get here? Okay, here I go. Ready? Let's watch those balls pop.
Micah? Who you gotta have
Just make
this?
sure they're damn.
It's yours?
That's yours? You trying to circle? Your turn? Can you do it? I don't think that's supposed to make that noise, is it? Or is it a break for the TV?
Oh,
The
it is.
Chickmunks.